Hi, Eric here, your Oceanview Insider. Felt like a hot dog, so there's no better place in town to come than Boujiee Dogs on Shore Drive and meet my good pal, Tila Wright.
Hi, I'm Tila. I'm the owner of Boujiee Dogs. We've been here for about 1.5 years and would love to see everybody come on in and enjoy our specials. Each week we have specials on Tuesday where kids eat free. We have happy hour 2 to 6 during the week, and Fridays we also have BOGO 50, buy one dog, get one 50% off.
I'll be here happy hour at least once a week, 2 to 6 p.m.